In this guide, we are going over the complete guide to stand personality stats and how to roll god tier builds here in Bizarre Lineage Roblox. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now let's break down the basics first. Every stand that you obtain comes with a random personality, and these personalities essentially give you unique buffs that can boost damage, mobility, crowd control, or just sustain damage. And a strong personality can turn into a pretty decent stand, especially in PvP or raids. On top of that, every single, stand is going to have 3 core stats graded from D up into S tier, with D being the worst, S being the best, and that's going to be attack, which is your standard M1 damage, your speed, which is obviously going to reduce cooldowns and improve combo flow, and of course your special, which obviously boosts your ability damage. If you want unstoppable combos, you're obviously aiming for those S tier rolls in these stats that fit your playstyle, but here's how you can reroll. Go ahead and open up your inventory first. Once you do have your inventory open up, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is get your stand equipped and then use your stand personality essence to just reroll that personality. If you want to reset all 3 core stats, use a stand stat essence instead, but just click on it, hit use, confirm, and keep rerolling until you land the perfect setup. You can get these essences from the prestige shop, which is in the hospital itself, which will unlock obviously after you do prestige. To actually prestige though, you are going to have to get 10,000 cash, head to bus stop 10, and then go into the hospital and talk with Archmage. Confirm that reset, get those prestige points plus an extra stand slot, and then use those points to buy more essences and keep optimizing your build. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.